How to fix screen recording not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix your screen recording not working. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you might want to do is check your control center. So swipe down from the top right, and after you swipe down from the top right, you should find a screen record button. So if you see that, you can try to press on it and start with recording, and then press on it again to stop recording. So check if your screen has been recorded. It automatically gets saved in your photos. So just check if it's done. If not, what you might want to do is check for your restrictions. For that, you will need to head over to your settings app. After you're on your settings app, go to screen time, scroll down and locate the screen time option. Tap on screen time and there scroll down again until you see content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that and right here you can check for your restrictions. So what you can do here is check for all the restrictions that is available right here. You can find anything that's related to your screen recording. So yeah, make sure that screen recording is turned on. Now I don't have such restrictions right here. So yeah, I don't have that problem. So what you can do after you've done that is update your iOS as well. So to do that, just come back to your settings, go to general, and after you're on your general, you'll find a software update button. Tap on that option and just let it find any updates available. If there is an update available, do not forget to update. After that, you'll also need to make sure that you have enough space to record. For that, come back to general and go to iPhone storage this time. Right here, check for any space available. If you don't have enough space, you can just delete some items and then try to screen record, and that should work just fine. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.